Morning, guys. See, look. My cactus yesterday, grabe. Super windy yesterday. See, nabali. This is my house. From the outside, I put all plants. Now, it's falling down, my cactus. I need to fix it. Kahapon, grabe. Super hangin talaga. Kaya, ayun. Si Inday to be rescue. Ang sharp pa naman ito, guys. Ay, may gulay. Ano na to? I think 1 year na to dito. Tinanim namin. Tingnan nyo, oh. I need to make it more foundation. Kaya kailangan ko nang lagyan ng mga buhangin. Talagang from the roots talaga niya na ano. They're pulling down. Mag-ano muna tayo. I need to fix it this. This is from my outside. Ay, talagang natumba yung ano, all falling down my plant. Even inside also in my garden. I need to fix it. I don't know if it will grow this one. Like how to grow small. My husband is busy. He already will go work. Now, mommy is to the rescue. I need to fix it, everything. I need to put something here, Mads. At least nakaano na siya. Tumaas na siya, guys. Diba? 1 year na to sa amin. Itong sa labas, tinilagyan ko din. I put also some flowers. And then some, this one, I don't know what they call this. But this is nice. See? And then here, all the flowers, I keep it all. And this is my outside. Long time, this one my husband already planted this. And then it grow. Lot of flower here. And then I plant also the white flower. This is the things here in my outside. And here the cactus is falling down. I need to fix it. This is my outside, guys. I need to fix it now. See, snow is there. I want to show you my dog. Hi, Snow. Say namaste. And then one. See also here, guys. All falling down. Too much yesterday, windy. Oh my God. And then all my they finished eating, now they are sleeping. Hi, sweetie. Hello. Hi, Snow. Look, guys, they will sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. I said sit down. Itaw. Sit down. Bas. Sit down first, dali. Sit down, sweetie. Sit down. Sit. Sit down na. Sit down. I said sit down. Sit down. You also small pillow. Sit down. Sit down. Both sit down. Both sit down. Good job. Agoy. Sit down. Sit down back. Come quickly. Sit down. Okay. I said sit down. Oh. Sit down. Sit down. No, sit down. Sit down. Look at mommy. See? Sit down. Snow. See, good job kasi sweetie. Good job. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. High five, sweetie. High five. High five, another one. Good job. Chickens. Meron siya. Cute. Say hi. Hi, everyone. Thank you for watching for our video. Say hi. See, very cute kasi sweetie. Thank you, guys. See? Ganyan siya, guys. Very behave. Bye-bye. Be kind. Love you all. Thank you for watching.